One at the top is an exclamation point, and that's irritant. Then on the left, explosives. On the right, with the star coming out of the chest, is the health hazard. You have gas cylinders or compressed cylinders, flammables, acute toxicity, oxidizers, corrosives, and then finally, with the little tree and the fish, environmental hazards. They all seem pretty straightforward, and they are all straightforward and self-explanatory, but you need to look at the symbols and recognize those. For you guys, what you'll see there are health hazards and irritants. Definitely will be a symbol that you'll see on some of the chemicals coming, and corrosives. You also may see acute toxicity and specifically flammable, so for any of your fuels, diesel or gasoline used at your sites, you will see that flammable symbol on them. The transportation symbols are not going to change much for you guys. You'll still see those symbols used, oxidizer, flammable, so forth, but our numbers and the diamond that we've always used for transportation will stay the same. The categories of chemicals will change somewhat. We've always had 3 categories. We're going to go to 5. For you guys, then you just need to pay attention. That skull and crossbones doesn't just indicate a category 1 chemical. It will now indicate several categories 1, 2, and 3. The label will change, and it's important that you look at the label here, see what it has, how they do the layout. They will now also have to be consistent. I think this is a great improvement. Again, looking at labels in MSDS, they change significantly. This shows you that the symbols will be in the top right hand part of it that shows what the hazard is. The chemical will be on the top. Then you have a signal word, danger, and then hazard statements on the left-hand side, your precautionary statements, and your first aid statements running down the page, and then finally at the bottom, it'll tell you what the manufacturer is and what their statements are. I think this is a great improvement, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how that will apply there.